To replace batteries in Sony RX camera, look at the bottom of the camera and you will find this little door that you can slide to open. Then you can pull the door up and the battery is right there. And to remove it, you just press, you see that little blue guy just right there. You press on it and the battery come out. The battery is November Papa Bravo X-Ray 1. You can order a new one by the link in the description. When you want to put it back in, you see there is the arrow just right there. That means that go inside, and you got another arrow there that must point the blue guy. So it goes in just like that. And you're ready to go.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!